It was a sunny morning. Rocco, the chubby gray cat, stretched and yawned. Ginger, the playful orange cat, found a shiny red ball in the grass. Meow, he said excitedly, and tapped the ball. It rolled and bounced bowling. Snowy, the fluffy white cat, ran to join the fun. The cats chased the ball. Rocco tried to stop it with his big paws, but ups. He spun in circles. Snowy flicked it with her tail, and Ginger jumped high like a tiger. Suddenly, the ball rolled into a big laundry basket. The three cats jumped in proof. The basket tipped over, and out they tumbled, all fluffy.